Okay, hi friends, welcome to our Model Maths Nagaraju YouTube channel. Today our topic is first year Maths 1A, 7th chapter Trigonometric Equations. Okay, from this chapter we can get one 4 marks question in the board exam. So it consists only 4 marks questions in this chapter, and also it is a small topic, don't worry, easy chapter. So before going to this topic, please subscribe our channel if you are newly watching, if you do not subscribe till now, and also click the like button, give the comment. Okay, what do you mean by trigonometric equations? Very simple, generally we know the equations. Yeah, now definition. An equation consists trigonometric ratios, then it is called trigonometric equation. Am I right? Okay, for example, some sin x is equal to 0, sin square x plus 2 sin x plus 3 equal 0, so and so. This kind of equations are called trigonometric equation. First I am taking sin x is equal to 0. So in this trigonometric equation, what is the solution? Okay, we just find the solutions of the trigonometric equations in this chapter. Now we can say simply sin x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, we can write 0 degrees, or pi radians also we can write, because of sin pi also 0, or sin 2 pi also 0, or sin 3 pi also 0, or minus pi also 0, or sin minus 2 pi also 0. So infinitely many solutions we can get for sin x is equal to 0. Simply we can write as solution is x is equal n pi, that's it. What is n? Belongs to z. Yes, if n is 0, the solution x is equal to 0, n is 1, x is equal to pi, n is 2, x is equal to 2 pi, so and so. The left side, x is equal to n equal to minus 1, x value minus pi. So in this way, infinitely many solutions we can get. So this is the general solution of sin x is equal to 0. Next, similarly, what is second one? Cos x is equal to 0. For this solution is, cos is 0 at 90 degrees. Am I right? Yeah, very good. Cos 90 equal 0. Similarly, cos 270 also 0. Okay, what is happening here? The solution becomes 90. What kind of 90? 190, 390s, 590s, so and so. 1, 3, 5, 7. That means the simplest form of odd numbers, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here also what is n means? Some integer. Next, third one. Next, what is trigonometric ratio? Tan x is equal to 0. Just I am giving the general solutions, then after we can enter into the 4 marks problems. Tan x is equal to 0. So here solution is x is equal, this is also like same as sin x, am I right? Here at 0, tan x is 0, when x value at 0 degrees, not only 0, at pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, so and so. Okay, n belongs to z. So this is the solution of tan x. Next, similarly, cot x is equal to 0, sec x is equal to 0, cosec x is equal to 0, we can write, but no need to know about those things. Next, we can enter into the other than 0. Other than 0 means some sin x is equal to some k. Sin x is equal to some k other than 0. Then how to write the solution? K means it may be 1 by 2, or it may be 1 by root 2, or anything, the value of sin. So that can be converted into in terms of sin. Means, for example, sin x is equal 1 by 2 is the question. So what is the x value here? Sin x is equal, we can write simply in sin 30 degrees. So whenever the question is other than 0, we can convert in the way of sin x is equal to some sin alpha. Okay, so this alpha is taken as principal solution. Alpha is called as principal solution. So before writing general solution, we first write the what is principal solution. Here principal solution is alpha, and this alpha value must be lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Then the general solution is x is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Okay, what is alpha? Alpha is a principal solution. For example, this question I am taking. So here alpha is 30 degrees, alpha is 30 degrees, or we can write pi by 6 radians. However, both are correct. So formula, using formula, solution, general solution is x is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha, then x is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into what is alpha? Pi by 6. That's it. N belongs to z. N belongs to z. Here also n belongs to z. Okay. So this is the like formula. For example, one question. Okay. First question. How to solve question? Solve sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So in this way we can solve by using this formula. Similarly, second one, for cos x is equal to cos alpha. What is principal solution here? Alpha. Okay. So principal solution is equal alpha. So here also, what is alpha? Alpha belongs to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi means principal solution of cos taken must be in the interval 0 to 2 pi. What does it means? By solving the problems we can understand about this domain. Okay, దీని గురించి కూడా మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది. బట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ అంతా అంటే స్పెసిఫిక్గా అఫ్కోర్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, కానీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడడానికి ఫస్ట్ అయితే మీరు ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? sin x is equal to sin alpha, general solution, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. This one we should by heart. Okay, what is the general solution of cos x? Can you guess? Okay, sorry, 0 to pi అండి, 0 to 2 pi కాదు, 0 to pi. Next, general solution. General solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and n belongs to z. So this is the general solution of cos x is equal to cos alpha. Next, third one, tan x is equal to tan alpha. So here principal solution. What is the principal solution? Alpha. Solution is equal to alpha, and this is must be belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And general solution is x is equal, okay, small difference for sin and cos. This is n pi plus alpha. What is n? It is an integer. Okay, these are the formulas. So if you know these formulas, we can solve the trigonometric equations, every problem. First, what is sin x is equal to sin alpha? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Cos x is equal to cos alpha, 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Tan x is equal to tan alpha, x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Other than this, and other two formulas also is there. You can ask, sir, what about cot x is equal to cot alpha? Okay, whenever it is given in terms of cot, we can take reciprocal, and again those can be converted into tan. So we can apply tan formula. Similarly, if the question is given in the terms of secant, that can be converted into cos. So we can use cos alpha formula, and similarly sin alpha. Okay, yeah. Next, what are the remaining formulas? Next, in third level, sin square alpha is equal, sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Okay, for all three terms, the only single formula, or cos square x is equal to cos alpha, cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square x is equal to tan square alpha. For these three type of equations, there is a common solution, that is solution is x is equal, okay, same, that is n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. Okay, This is the general solution of sin square x is equal cos square x is equal tan square x. For example, sin square x is equal 1 by 2. Then sin square x is equal to sin square x is equal 1 by 2. Then sin square x is equal, that can be written as sin square 45. Yeah. So there alpha is 45. Formula is n pi plus or minus alpha. Then answer will be n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Okay. By problem solving we can understand very clearly. Next, last formula. The common solution of any two trigonometric ratios. For example, sin x is equal to 1 by 2, cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. In both equations, what is principal solution? Yes, 30 degrees. Very good. Yes, sin x is equal to 1 by 2, cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2, cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. In both the equations, principal solution alpha is 30 degrees. Am I right? So, this type of equations, what is the common solution of general solution? Okay. Next, third one, right? Second one, last formula. Next, we can enter into the problems. Okay. Common solution of any two trigonometric ratios is x is equal to n pi plus alpha, where alpha belongs to 0, 2 pi. Okay, these are the formulas, friends. By using these formulas we can solve the all trigonometric equations. Okay, next I am taking question. This is the first question. After these formulas you can write this first question. Next I will tell you second question onwards. Okay, next second question. Third question, solve sin 2 theta equal root 5 minus 1 by 4. Actually this is the value of sin 18, I just remembering you. And third question, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Now given that sin 2 theta is equal root 5 minus 1 by 4, this is the value of sin 18. Very good. So that is taken as principal solution, that is alpha equal 18. Okay, next to general solution. What is formula for sin x is equal to k sin alpha? N pi plus x is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha, n belongs to z. Here in place of x there is 2 theta. Am I right? So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. What is alpha? 18. Sir, we want to theta value because of solution means completely theta angle. So to send right side it goes to in denominator n pi by 2 plus minus 1 power n into 18 by 2. 2 9 ja cancel. So finally solution is n pi by 2 plus minus 1 power n into 9 means we can write in the radians as pi by 20. N belongs to z. So this is the answer. It is simple or not? Next, similarly see the third question. Cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. So given that cos x is equal to 1 by root 2, what will be the alpha? Yes, it is at cos 45 1 by root 2. Alpha equal, yeah, very good, 45 degrees. So principal solution is alpha equal 45 degrees, or we can write pi by 4 radians. So better to write in radians. Next, general solution. Then formula. What is the general solution of cos? X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to z. Here in place of x there is x is only. Next 2n pi plus or minus alpha means pi by 4. That's it. Completed. This is the general solution. Okay. These formulas are very helpful. By using these formulas, we can solve so many problems. Not only so many, every problem almost all. Again I am saying, for cosec x is equal to cosec alpha, use same formula. For sec x is equal to sec alpha, use the second formula. For remaining cot x is equal to cot alpha, use this third formula. Okay, again I am saying, or condition, please note down, cosec x is equal to cosec alpha. Same formula, same domain, same solution. And for r, sec x is equal to sec alpha, same. Or cot x is equal to cot alpha. Okay. If you have any doubts on these three formulas, don't worry, you just follow. You will know the clarity. Okay. Fourth question. Solve tan theta is equal minus 1. How to solve this question? Same, first given that write down tan theta equal minus 1. What is the principal solution? Principal solution alpha, how much? Generally minus 1 means what we can think, it may be in the second quadrant. Am I right? Tan 135 is second quadrant, becomes minus 1. But 135 can we take? 135. What is the domain of principal solution? It must be between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So 135 cannot take it. Then how? Tan of minus theta what? Minus tan theta. Very good. So minus pi by 4 we can take. Once think is it right or wrong? Tan minus pi by 4, find it. Tan minus pi by 4 value. How much? Minus tan theta is equal to minus 1. Getting? So instead of minus 1 we can write tan minus pi by 4. That means alpha value is minus pi by 4. Okay. Now general solution. General solution what? Tan x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha belongs to integer. Then x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. So alpha belongs to z. This is the answer. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, please write down here. Tan theta is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. Here also you can write cos x is equal to cos pi by 4. Okay. Here also we can write in here sin 2 theta equal sin 18. Okay. So then alpha is pi 18. Alpha is 45. Alpha is minus pi by 4. Okay, next to very important question, fifth question. So that comes in very many times in the exam. Okay, shall we go for? Yeah. Okay, next fifth question. So this is very important. Again I have written here the formulas. Once see why I am repeating again and again. If you also repeat in this way, you can remember the formulas easily. First formula for sin x, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. And next cos x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Next for tan x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, these three formulas very important. So given that, first write them as it is, cot square x minus root 3 plus 1 into cot x plus root 3 is equal to 0. First we have to simplify this. Cot square x minus root 3 into cot x minus root 3 cot x minus into plus minus cot x plus root 3 is equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? Cot x is common. By taking cot x common, remaining common, take common, cot x common, then one cot x will be remaining. Here by taking cot x, remaining is minus root 3, and in both nothing is common, means we can take 1, and first term is minus, so take minus 1. So minus 1 if you take common, cot x is remaining. In this plus there is minus into minus, 1 minus if you take common, then one more minus is there and root 3 is remaining. And in both terms again cot x minus root 3, cot x minus root 3 same term. So cot x minus root 3 take common. Then what are the remaining terms? By taking these two common, remaining cot x and here remaining minus 1. So cot x minus 1 equal 0. That means cot x minus root 3 equal 0 or cot x minus 1 equal 0. So then cot x is equal to root 3 or cot x is equal to 1. Cot x is equal to root 3. When the cot value is root 3 at cot 30 degrees or 60 degrees? Yes, very good. Cot 30. 30 means pi by 6. and cot x is equal, when the cos value is 1 at cot, yes, very good, cot 45 pi by 4. Now this is called as principal solution. So two solutions we have to write. This is called as principal solution. Here alpha is equal pi by 6. Here alpha is equal pi by 4. What is the general solution of cot? Yes, very good. So for cot is reciprocal of tan. Whatever the general solution of tan, same as for cot also. So for cot also x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Now general solution is x is equal n pi plus alpha. N belongs to z. So x is equal n pi plus alpha means pi by 6. N belongs to z. So here also general solution. First compulsory write down formula. If you write a formula again and again, we can remember easily. So x is equal n pi plus pi by 4. N belongs to z. This is the solution. Is it clear? Any doubt? Simple question అండి. జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసుకొని సింపుల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి. చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఏ వస్తుందో కామన్ తీయండి. లాస్ట్ రెండిట్లో -1 కామన్ వస్తుందో కామన్ తీయండి. మళ్ళీ కామన్ టర్మ్ని కామన్ తీస్తే మిగిలిన టర్మ్స్ రాసి ఇండివిజువల్గా రాసి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్? ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ 6th question. These onwards important questions we are going to learn. Yeah. Listen, actually this is the general solution, completed this problem, but in the question condition is given, that is the x value between 0 to pi by 2. So x value means what? The solution must be taken. He asked what are the solutions between 0 to 90. So what are the solution between 0 to 90? These are above the 90, these are also above the 90 or below the 90, below the 0. So in particularly between 0 to 90 we can get only these two values. Only these two values. Okay, we have to write the general solution also. Then after finally the solution between 0x less than pi by 2 or between 0 to pi by 2 is x is equal pi by 6 comma pi by 4. Okay, so this is the solution. One is pi by 6, one is pi by 4. These two only answers for this question with the condition. If condition is not given, so up to write enough. Condition is mentioned, we should write in this condition what are the clear solutions. Okay, yeah. Yes, next 6th question. Find all values of x minus pi to pi open interval satisfying the equation 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus cos cube x plus so and so up to infinity terms, here up to infinity terms is equal to 4 power 3. So first in the LHS 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus so and so is equal to 4 cube means what? 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 64 is 64 can be write as 8 power 2. Yes, very good, 8 power 2. Okay, first you should write this one. Question given that this one 4 means, since 4 cube equals 64, 64 can be written as y square. Why I am writing 8 square? Because of here base is 8. So that's why this is also expressed as base is 8. If bases are same, then what will be the powers? Yes, very good, powers also equal. That means 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus cos cube x plus so and so is equal to 2. Now how to simplify this? Did you remember the geometric progression? When the ratio is same, that is called geometric progression. Second term by first term, cos x by 1, cos x, that is taken as ratio cos x, or you can check for next two consecutive terms, cos square x by cos x, cos cancel or equal to x. What about a 1? And it is GP, geometric progression. In the geometric progression, what is the sum of the n terms formula? Sum of the infinity formula, not n terms, a by 1 minus r. So by using these restrict conditions, this value can be written as a by 1 minus r. Here a means 1 by 1 minus r. 1 minus r means cos x is equal to 2. So very simple. Nothing means 1, taking cross multiplication. Okay, 1 minus, otherwise you can take reciprocals, whatever it. 1 into 1, 1, cross multiplication. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus cos x, minus 2 cos x. So minus 2 cos x, bring left side, it becomes plus 2 cos x is equal to plus 1 right side, minus 1. So 2 cos x is equal to 1, then cos x is equal 1 by 2. Okay, cos x is equal 1 by 2 means cos x is equal 1 by 2 in terms of cos. Yeah, very good. Cos 30 degrees, no, pi, yeah, 60 degrees means pi by 3. So principal solution is alpha is equal pi by 3. Principal solution alpha equal pi by 3. Then what about the general solution? General solution for cos, what is the formula for cos? Yeah, 2n pi plus or minus alpha. X is equal 2n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to z. Here x place lo x ఏ ఉంది, 2n pi plus or minus alpha place lo pi by 3 ఉంది. Okay, but this is not final answer, because of here also like as previous question, he mentioned the condition of x, it is between minus pi to pi. So in between these minus pi to pi, what are the solutions? So that is the question. If we take n equal to 0, we get plus pi by 3 and minus pi by 3. Both comes between minus pi and pi. Okay, n equal to 0, then x is equal plus or minus pi by 3. And if you take n equal to 1, what will be the solution? Then that becomes 2 pi plus pi by 3. n equal to 1, 2 pi plus pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. What is that? 3 2 just 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 3. 3 2 just 6 pi minus 5, minus pi, 5 pi by 3. But these two are not belong to minus pi to pi. So only x is equal 7 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi to pi. These are belongs to minus pi to pi. If you take n equal to 3, so and so also doesn't comes in the interval. So what is the solution? Therefore solution is, one is, don't use open bracket or close bracket, use curly bracket only, because of only minus pi by 3 and plus pi by 3 are answers, solutions. Yes, so this is the general solution. This is also important, because of in this chapter only 4 marks question, only few questions are there. So every year one question, means repeating the questions. Okay, next question. Yeah, 7th question, solve root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal root 2. Okay, this is the last question in this video, and one more 8th question also is there in this video, but that will be given for your homework like treatise. Okay, so I will tell you this one, the same question will be the 8th question, that way you can solve in your own way. So how to solve? First take given that root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2. First we should simplify this by using trigonometric terms. Here root 3, there is no value of sin, not value of cos. If it is root 3 by 2, then we can write express in sin or in cos. Here also. Okay, so first I am writing this sin theta into root 3 minus cos theta into 1 is equal root 2. Okay, by 2 is required. So that's why both sides divide by 2 or divide by 2 on both sides. We get sin theta into root 3 by 2 minus cos theta into 1 by 2 is equal to root 2 by 2. Sin theta into root 3 by 2 means, in terms of cos, we can write cos 30. 30 means pi by 6. And cos theta as it is 1 by 2 in terms of sin. Sin 30 means sin pi by 6. This is root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. Am I right? The denominator is 2. It is root 2 into root 2. Root 2 root cancel, 1 by root is there. Now this is the expansion of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So that is sine of a minus b, that means theta minus pi by 6 is equal 1 by root 2. So we got it almost. Instead of x we got theta minus pi by 6, then sine of theta minus pi by 6 is equal 1 by root 2 in terms of sine is sine 45. Very good. What is principal solution? Yes, good, pi by 4. So principal solution is alpha equal pi by 4. Okay. Then general solution. What is the general solution of sine? Okay. General solution is x is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. N belongs to z. So x means what here? Okay. Don't forget this. If you forget this, you will lose 1 mark. Theta minus pi by 6 is equal n pi plus minus 1 power n into what is alpha? Pi by 4. Okay. Next continuation. Minus pi by 6 send right side. Then theta equal n pi plus pi by 6 plus minus 1 power n into pi by 4. N belongs to z. Here also n belongs to z. Then theta equal 6 is the LCM. 6 into n pi. 6n pi plus pi. So 6n plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 4, comma n belongs to z. This is the final answer. This is also 4 marks important question. Next, one more question. Sin x plus root 3 cos x is equal to 2. Okay. Same type of question you can solve by dividing 2 on both sides. Am I right? Question. Sin x cos x is equal to root 2. Root 2 only. Sorry. Root 2. Same process. Divide by 2 on both sides. Okay. Then divide by 2 means 1 by 2 sin x plus root 3 by 2 cos x is equal 1 by root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. So this is can we express in terms of cos or sin? Sin 30 degrees into sin x plus cos 60 into cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos of a minus b, x minus pi by 3. So 30 degrees, yeah, pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, principal solution alpha. General solution, just roughly I am saying, not clearly I am not saying. Based on this, same as it is, step by step neatly write down. Then x minus pi by 6 will be, what is the general solution of cos? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is pi by 4. So minus pi by 6 send right side. X is equal 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4 means one is x minus pi by 6 is equal, second one is x minus pi by 6 is equal 2n pi minus pi by 4. Then x is equal 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Here x is equal 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. So x is equal 2n pi plus, what is the LCM? 4, 6, LCM 12, 4 table 3 times 3 pi, 6 table 2 times 2 pi, okay, by 12, 12 into 2, 24n pi plus 5 pi. So that means only pi is common, then 24n plus 5 into pi by 12. This is the solution. Similarly for the also substitute. Here you may get one doubt, sir, why did you express in terms of sine and cos? We can express it, this is in terms of cos, this is in terms of sine. So we can do in that method also, no problem. Here also you can bothly convert into cos and you can simplify. That is not problem. Okay, but in the textbook this the answer is there. So I have taken this one. If you take cos also, no problem. Here also no problem. These are the questions. And one more question is there in the same process. Solve root 3 into 9th question. Root 2 into sin x plus cos x. Root 2 into sin x plus cos x is equal to root 3. You solve this problem. Answer is this one taken in terms of cos. This is also 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12. 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12. Am I right? And another one is, you try it, okay, you will get the answer. In the textbook also you can see the question, you can see the answer. Okay, So here or you can write this is also answer. What is 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12 also answer. N belongs to Z. Any doubt? ఏం లేదండి. 7th క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా చేయాలో 8th అలాగనే చేయండి. 7thలో ఇక్కడ కాస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేశాను, మీరు సైన్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసినా వస్తుంది. సార్ నేను చెప్పింది ఇక్కడ అర్థం కాలేదు, సైన్లోకి కాస్లోకి ఏంటంటే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి, అందులో ఇలా ఏం లేదు వింత. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి, మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 4 మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోతోటి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతాయి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకి ఓవరాల్గా 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏముంటాయి, 9 అయిపోయినాయి అంటే రిమైనింగ్ 6 ఇంపార్టెంట్వి కూడా ఉన్నాయి, అందులో కూడా ఉన్నాయి కాదు, కంపల్సరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్వి ఉన్నాయి. అవి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్తాను. ఈ 2 వీడియోస్ తోటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ సరిపోతుంది. చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ అండ్ మొత్తం సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా ఒక ప్రాపర్లో సెట్ చేసి మీకోసం చెప్తున్నాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, నాకు తెలిసి మీకు నచ్చితే మిగతా వాళ్ళకు కూడా మీ స్టడీ సర్కిల్లో షేర్ చేయండి, కొంచెం సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెంచుతారని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వాచింగ్ అవర్ క్లాసెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.